Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know my nighttime skincare routine, then please keep on watching. So the very first step is cleansing. I'm using micellar water because I had no makeup on my face. If I have makeup, then I use cleansing balms. But I had no makeup, so I'm using this on a cotton pad and swiping it all over to break down the sunscreen and serums and moisturizers I had from the morning. And you can see the gunk on the face, so double cleansing is must. Then for face wash, I use minimalist salicylic acid face wash. It has 2% salicylic acid. I like to take it on my wet palm and then lather it onto my palm only and then apply it all over my damp face so that I get a nice lather, and also I do not use too much of a product. Salicylic acid is a great ingredient for acne and oily skin, acne prone and oily skin type. This face wash helps me to remove excess sebum and excess oil and clean my pores thoroughly without drying out my skin. That's why I love this face wash. And then I rinse it out with water and then pat dry my face with a microfiber clean towel. Next, I use this minimalist polyhydroxy PHA toner, and I like to take it on my palm and directly apply it on my face. I do not like to use cotton pads because that just wastes so much of a product. I like to press the product so that it goes directly into my skin, and this toner helps me to hydrate and tightens my pores and gently exfoliate. I apply it all over my face, chest, neck and back of my neck, and then I let it dry on its own. I like to wait for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute before going towards the next step of my skincare routine. Next, I use this 2% salicylic acid by Dermaco. I put few drops all over my face without touching the dropper to my face so that there are no bacteria into the bottle. I like to spread it evenly and then pat it into my skin. Like I said, salicylic acid is a great ingredient for oily and acne prone skin. It just helps you to remove excess oil from your skin. It has witch hazel also. It helps to prevent whiteheads and blackheads appearing on your skin. So it's a both way yay product. I really like the product. Dermaco has really nice products. If you want to buy these products, then please check my description box. Also, I'll leave few options for you. If you do not want to buy these products, you can just go with the similar products also. Then I like to pat it into my skin. Like I said, I like to wait for the next step, and the next step is glycolic acid serum. I use this of Minimalist brand. It is a body and face exfoliator. I apply it few drops all over my face just like the previous serum, and then spread it evenly and then pat it into my skin. Glycolic acid is a great ingredient if you have melasma, hyperpigmentation. It treats the discoloration. It removes all the tan because of sun and hyperpigmentation because of sun or any other way. If you have melasma, if you have hyperpigmentation all around your mouth, anywhere in face, it will fade it out. I like to pat it into my skin, and I always like to wait for a minute at least for moving towards the next step. So until the serum is drying, I like to take this serum onto my palm and apply it on my elbows, my arms, my back of my palm, because my arms are really tan and dark. You can see it is really different than my normal skin tone. So I like to utilize my this time until my face serum is drying and absorbing into my skin. I like to apply it onto my palms and knees and dark elbows. You can use it in your underarms also if you have dark underarms. I do not have, so I just use it on my elbows and knees. And the last step, second last actually, is moisturizer. It is a really good moisturizer by Cetaphil. It gives me 48-hour hydration, and it is dermatologically suggested and tested and approved. I really get a very nice glow with this moisturizer. It has B5 and vitamin E and glycerin, many good ingredients, and it just gives me nice hydration. The next morning I have very smooth and nice face. So if you have dry skin, then please definitely go for it. If you have oily, then also you can go for it. And then I like to massage a little bit, like doing this while doing this step, because moisturizer gives you a very nice smooth surface to massage, and you should have always a good nice blood flow under your skin if you want to have a nice good and smooth skin. So your blood flow should be always nice, so a little massage won't harm you. So I like to massage a little, and then yeah, I move on to my last step, which is a lip balm. So this is melamine lip lightener, dermatologically suggested. It is very 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 hydrating. Also it has SPF. You can use it in a sun time, like daytime also, to prevent from sun. And it helps to remove the hyperpigmentation of your lips. Look at the glow. I really like the glow. I do have discoloration which will go eventually, but my skin is really really looking nice, and it's giving me very nice glow. And I really have very smooth surface. I have acne here and there, but that will go eventually. I trust my night care routine and it just helps me. I hope it will help you too and get a plumper skin. I hope you have liked this video. Then please like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. I'll see you next time. Bye.